Halloween is approaching, and with it, a familiar thrill, that mix of fascination and dread that comes with tales of monsters, shadows, and things that go bump in the night. But what if I told you that the scariest things aren't lurking in haunted houses or crypts? They're floating, spinning, and burning in the vast, silent dark of space. The universe, with its colossal forces and relentless unknowns, has horrors that would make even the bravest horror fanatic shiver. And they're real. When we think of the cosmos, we might picture beauty, stars twinkling, the soft glow of galaxies, the mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Yet, just beyond our sight, the universe holds something darker. Some of these cosmic bodies and phenomena bear a haunting resemblance to our most beloved Halloween creatures. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore cosmic horrors that parallel our favorite monsters. So, dim the lights, settle in, and get ready to discover a new kind of Halloween fear, one that comes from the night sky itself. Stay tuned, because things are about to get chilling. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the mysteries of space and hit that like button to help us dive even deeper into the cosmic unknown. Imagine a star that refuses to die, clinging to existence in a grotesque imitation of life, much like a vampire refusing to lie in its grave. Some stars, known as white dwarfs, are essentially stellar corpses, remnants of once vibrant stars that have burned through their nuclear fuel. When stars like our Sun reach the end of their life, they collapse into these dense, smoldering remnants. But not all white dwarfs rest in peace. Some rise again, feeding on the matter of nearby stars. These are the vampire stars. Picture a white dwarf lurking in a binary system, slowly pulling in the outer layers of its companion star, much like a predator draining its victim. This stolen material forms a swirling disk around the white dwarf, called an accretion disk, where it amasses over time. As this deadly stockpile grows, it reaches a point where it can no longer be contained, erupting in a powerful nuclear explosion known as a Type Ia supernova. This cosmic explosion typically obliterates the white dwarf, its final, self-destructive feast. Yet, in some cases, this isn't the end. Against all odds, certain white dwarfs endure the blast, emerging as shattered remnants known as zombie stars. One such zombie star, SN 1181, first appeared to humanity in 1181 AD, burning brightly in the constellation Cassiopeia before fading from sight. This ancient stellar corpse was only rediscovered in recent years within the Erie Nebula Pa 30. Here, the zombie star continues to live, its winds blasting through space at speeds reaching 36 million miles per hour, a haunting shadow of its former self. These vampire and zombie stars, with their destructive appetites and capacity for resurrection, bring to mind our favorite horror icons, like Dracula. But unlike a vampire tale with its clear ending, these stars leave an open question: could there be even stranger, more horrific fates awaiting stars in the dark corners of the universe? Imagine a world so hostile that it defies comprehension, a place so extreme it could be mistaken for Dante's vision of hell itself. Enter WASP 76b, an exoplanet so close to its star that its dayside roasts at a searing 4,350 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to vaporize metal. This inferno of a planet is locked in a deadly embrace with its star, orbiting at just 30 million miles away, leaving one side in perpetual daylight and the other in endless night. This day-to-night divide creates a monstrous weather cycle, where vaporized iron on the fiery dayside is whipped across the planet by fierce winds, only to condense and fall as molten iron rain on the night side. Here, even the rain is a deadly spectacle. On WASP 76b, where temperatures melt iron into vapor, the atmosphere itself is a swirling chaos of metals and molten clouds. Winds tear across the surface at unimaginable speeds, transporting this superheated metal vapor from day to night, creating weather so violent that it stretches the limits of what we can imagine. The effect is eerie, like something straight out of a horror film, as if the planet is in a constant state of rage. This relentless cycle of vapor and molten rain makes WASP 76b one of the most terrifying places in the known universe. This brutal world is a reminder that not all planetary systems are as tame as our own. Out there in the cosmos, entire planets endure endless storms, molten downpours, and atmospheric forces so extreme they would rip apart any earthly life in seconds. WASP-76b shows us a vision of hell where everything we take for granted, safe rain, cool nights, and the soothing phases of day and night, is violently reversed. In a way, it is the ultimate cosmic horror, a planet that not only exists but thrives in conditions beyond our darkest nightmares. And the truly haunting part? WASP-76b may be just one of many such worlds, lurking out there in the darkness, beyond the reach of our telescopes, waiting to be discovered. It makes one wonder, just how many other hellish worlds are out there, hidden in the night? The universe may be full of such cosmic terrors, each one stranger and more horrifying than the last. Picture yourself staring into the blackness of space, and suddenly, there it is, a dark form stretching across the cosmos, its silhouette unmistakable, vast, and haunting. This is the Cosmic Bat Nebula, a formation so eerie and immense that it seems to emerge from the inky depths, ready to spread its colossal wings. Officially known as NGC 1788, this nebula is located around 1,300 light-years from Earth in the Orion constellation. But this isn't a simple cloud of gas, it's a shadowy presence that has captivated stargazers and scientists alike. With its ghostly, wing-like shape, it feels more like an ancient cosmic creature waiting in silence than a mere stellar nursery. The Cosmic Bat Nebula is far from empty. Within its dark core, new stars are born, hidden from direct view by thick clouds of gas and dust. These young stars, cradled within the heart of the nebula, emit a faint, haunting glow that illuminates the body of the bat, casting ghostly shadows that ripple through interstellar space. The light seeping from these nascent stars doesn't fully break through the nebula's dense core, creating an effect as if something dark and powerful is concealed just beneath the surface, glimpsed only in faint, spectral outlines. What makes the Bat Nebula so chilling is its silent, watchful nature. Unlike the fiery explosions of supernovas or the roaring turbulence of planets like WASP-76b, the Bat Nebula embodies a quieter, more primal fear, the kind that comes from sensing an ancient presence, vast and unknowable, lurking just beyond our sight. It's a silent witness to the cosmic dance of life and death, a reminder of how small and fleeting our lives are against the vastness of the universe. And it's not alone in its eerie beauty. The universe holds other nebulas with haunting forms that seem almost alive, their shapes evoking mythical creatures from our deepest fears. There is the Horsehead Nebula, appearing like a spectral figure rearing up from an abyss of dust, frozen in time. Its dark silhouette against the crimson background of glowing hydrogen gas gives it an ominous presence, as if it were a phantom guarding some ancient secret of the stars. Then, there's the Snake Nebula, a slender, twisting structure of interstellar dust that slithers through space, resembling a cosmic serpent waiting in ambush. Such nebulas stir something deep and instinctual within us, something primal. For millennia, human cultures have looked up at the night sky and seen in it figures of creatures, gods, and demons. They are like messages from an unseen realm, shadows on the walls of the universe. Even with our modern understanding of these cosmic structures, we cannot entirely shake the feeling that these shadows are more than just gas and dust. They seem to reflect the fear and wonder of our ancestors, as if we are connected across time to all who have gazed at the night sky and felt a profound mystery staring back at them. There's something about these nebulas that challenges our understanding of reality, reminding us of how vast and strange the universe is. We're left wondering what else might be out there, hidden in the darkness, forming shapes we can barely comprehend. Perhaps they are reminders of our place in the cosmos, hinting that there are things in this universe that may remain beyond our grasp, forces and mysteries that lie hidden, perhaps deliberately, behind veils of darkness. The Cosmic Bat Nebula, along with its eerie counterparts, invites us to face this cosmic darkness and embrace the terrifying beauty it holds. It challenges us to look beyond the stars and ask questions that may have no answers. Are these shapes in the heavens simply random patterns, or are they echoes of some ancient, universal story? As we search deeper into the unknown, we're left with a sense that the answers may be stranger and more unsettling than we could ever imagine. In the cosmic night, where science and myth blend, these nebulas remain, watching over the birth and death of stars, a silent, eternal reminder that the universe is both a cradle and a tomb. Beyond the shadows of nebulas and the fiery wrath of hellish planets, there exist cosmic structures so massive they defy comprehension, embodying the ultimate cosmic horror. Enter the King Ghidorah supercluster, a colossal collection of galaxies located 6.7 billion light-years from Earth. This structure stretches across a span of space equivalent to 19 full moons lined up in the night sky and contains over 19 individual galaxy clusters. With a combined mass equivalent to 10 quadrillion suns, it is 10 times the size of our home supercluster, Laniakea, and represents a scale of existence that bends our very understanding of reality. Imagine galaxies moving within this superstructure, each with billions of stars, planets, and potential worlds, some possibly harboring life, others as uninhabitable and terrifying as WASP-76b. At a mind-boggling 1.3 billion light-years across, the King Ghidorah supercluster could fit the Milky Way inside of it more than 12,000 times. Its gravitational influence binds galaxies together, yet these galaxies are separated by incomprehensible voids of empty space, gaps so vast that, if we traveled at the speed of light, it would still take billions of years to cross them. This supercluster is an enduring reminder of how tiny and fragile we are against the enormity of the universe. Just as horror stories magnify our personal fears, cosmic giants like King Ghidorah magnify the insignificance of individual worlds in the face of cosmic scale. Here, the true horror is not a single monster, but the chilling vastness itself, an unending, empty darkness that surrounds us on all sides. In these immense superstructures, we confront the sheer enormity of existence, a world without limits, and realize that we are mere fragments in an infinite, indifferent universe. These cosmic horrors, the vampire stars, zombie nebulae, hellish planets, and galactic giants, are real, and they reside in the very fabric of the universe. Unlike myths and legends, they are not bound by the rules of human storytelling. They are cold, beautiful, and terrifying, existing far beyond our reach and comprehension. They embody the unknown and remind us that for all our advances, the universe remains filled with mysteries. As you ponder these cosmic horrors, take a moment to look up at the night sky. What lies beyond the stars is more terrifying than anything our imagination could conjure. For those brave enough to explore, the universe offers a chilling adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more journeys into the unknown, and join us as we continue unraveling the secrets of the cosmos, because sometimes, the real monsters are the ones we're yet to discover.